For 50 years, there has been an annual bike race across my home state, Iowa. For the first time in history, we crashed the party with hyper electric scooters. So I'm gonna do some filming today.
Okay.
Maybe I'm a little early.
Yeah.
Probably. You haven't seen them coming in yet, have you?
No.
One or two, but I think they're local riders. I don't think they're
okay.
It's really hilly though, so it's gonna take them like 5 to 6 hours.
You can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna take my scooter to the old town road. I'm gonna scoot till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my scooter to the old town road. I'm gonna scoot till I can't no more. Helmet down, cross town, feeling like a scooter star. Your baby mama,
Ragbrai 2023 with Jordan.
Join the scooter gang and you will not ever regret. Riding through the city on a brand new Vsett. I know.
Giving these guys motivation on their last mile.
But I can't with my Vsett, so I'm just I'm gonna take my scooter to the old town road. I'm gonna scoot till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my scooter to the old town road. I'm gonna scoot till I can't no more.
There'll probably be a lot more coming. We're just cruising it right now. Oh, this looks like a good spot. I want to pull over?
Sure.
Wilson's Apple. Let's go, baby.
Yes.
Look out for the sprinkler. Woo, it's pretty wet.
What's up? Is this technically like sacrilegious at Ragbrai? I don't know. I mean, I used to ride a bike, right? Yeah. Does that count? Yeah. You guys are wrong. Bob Walker. I kind of. What's going on? Yeah. Really? I can't remember his name. Brian. Yeah.
Hey, let me get a clip of you blasting somebody.
What's that?
Let me get a clip of you blasting somebody.
Okay. All right, tell me when you're.
Whenever you want to blast them, go for it. It's going.
Hop on in here, guys.
Perfect.
Can you blast my bottom half?
Oh, we need to get this. You can accidentally get her top. Woo! Let's get it.
Thanks, guys.
You got it. Have fun. Be safe. Have fun. Be safe.
Oh, that feels great. Welcome to Iowa. It's America, baby. Woo!
America, baby.
Yes. Woo! Yes.
Hey. On the left. This is the killer hill right here. After they drink that beer, and then they eat a little barbecue, and they try and go up this and they puke. We got fresh watermelon right there. You want a slice? You selling watermelons? Slices? Yeah. Nice. How much? For free? Let me give you a tip at least.
Nobody out here got it.
It's free watermelon. You hear that? Jordan's in heaven.
Nice to meet you. Have you ridden one?
Nothing that goes this fast.
For sure, yeah. It took me months, like, you gotta start somewhere.
I always talk to the guys that have the one wheels and stuff, always like, "Oh, do you want to try riding it?" I'm like, no, 'cause I'm gonna fall, and my boss is gonna be like, "Why'd you get hurt doing this?"
No, yeah, I stepped on the one wheel a couple times. I was like, not for me.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Officer Brian. Brian.
Jeff, nice to meet you.
You clip your thing. Yeah, Jordan.
Nice to meet you.
Me too. You guys are doing great. Thank you.
Yes, have a safe day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
See you guys.
See ya.
Watermelon for $1.
So they got $5 watermelon. Is that what you said? That's a ripoff compared to free 5 miles ago. You get a tow rope, go back there and tow the tired people.
Yeah.
Get it. What's up?
You can't come through here with that.
Why is that?
It's bikes only. And that means everything mechanized. That's all. At least that's what I understood. Have you been doing?
Yeah, I was here this morning and I actually spoke to an officer.
You did?
Yeah, I was here this morning.
Because I didn't know.
He was
man.
sitting right here and he didn't have any problem with it at all. Morning, officer.
Watch the speed then.
Okay.
Good. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Especially today.
Look,
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Especially
sure.
today, because it's just gonna get. It's
Gonna get, yeah, we actually just went all the way out and followed them back about 10 miles. So
Very
we've
cool,
seen
man.
we've seen them
Fun.
people that are coming for you. Don't worry.
Take it easy, all right?
Yes,
Make it
sir.
look good.
Have a great day. Woo! You want to go through the finish line, Jordan? Oh, we made it. Made it across. High five. Ooh. Mini chopper. Mukuta mini chopper. Woo! Let's try a little off-roading. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, the cooler mobile is sick. Woo! The cooler mobile. Look out, cooler coming through.
Is there any way I can get you to just move a little further down the street?
Yeah.
So the cornering people.
Definitely. We're just trying not to block
Yeah,
his
have a
view too much
video.
either. We're gonna hand out a few of these quick. Do you want one?
No, thank you.
You
I
sure?
appreciate it.
It's
Yeah.
hot. They're gonna come in like waves, like that. Next, you saw how many people were in that light when we came over. You guys want a freeze pop?
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah. There we go.
Thank you.
Red for you.
Appreciate
Yeah. Happy Ragbrai.
You got it? Oh, bam!
Which color? Bam Bam. Yeah. Bam Bam. You want one?
Oh, yeah.
It's a hot one, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Yeah. Freezy pop. Oh, there's gonna be some casualties. That's okay. Freezy pop. Freezy pop. Woo! Yeah, double here. Freezy pop. Freezy pop. There you go. Enjoy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Freezy pop.
Yes.
Yep. Yeah. Sorry, it's not cut yet. I'm sorry. This is crazy.
Can you help with scissors?
Yeah. Oh, you want to help with scissors?
Sure.
That'd be fantastic. Freezy pop. Freezy pops. There you go. Freezy pop. Yeah. That's where it's slowing down, isn't it? Welcome to the finish line. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. Oh yeah. Freezy pops. Look at him. How fast. Freezy pops. Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Definitely. Freezy pop. Have at it. Oh. Biker down. Sorry about that, man. Should you maybe move down a little farther?
Way down.
We just triggered like 195 people's memories about Freezy Pops when they were 10 years old eating Freezy Pops. You don't want to make one more lap through? Victory lap on the cooler. There's scooter people up here. Get up here. There's 3 scooter people. Yo, nice scooter. I love it.
Oh, well, yours isn't too shabby either.
Yo, nice scooter.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah.
3. They got matching Go Track. Nice scooter, man. I love it.
2.
Very nice.
Who's got the scent down one?
Oh yeah, you know. Woo! Woo! Cooler coming through. Cooler coming through. Look out for this cooler. It's about to go up in the lake. Woo! Woo! There's a guy that you see right behind you. Look behind you. Look behind you. That is the perfect segue. For those of you that don't know, an EUC is an electric unicycle. In about 3 weeks, I invite all of you to come down to Bentonville, Arkansas for Amped Electric Games. We're going to be attending. We're going to be bringing scooters. We're going to be on racetrack just like this. A couple different tracks. We're going to have a lot of fun, a lot of workshops. You're going to get the chance to see EUCs jumping buses. You're going to get the chance to see one wheels and electric skateboards racing on pump tracks and on dirt trails. And you're going to see some amazing footage coming out of this. For you guys that can't make it, it will be live broadcasted. Amped Electric Games, check it out. For everybody that wants to make it, I'm driving 500 miles, so everybody that's closer than that, you have no excuse. Come check this out in a couple weeks. You still have time to ask off work and get in the car. Bring down your electric device, throw the tent in there, come down and camp. They're doing a special deal just for scooter people. Since scooter people are new this year, you can get a ticket for $99. That's for your whole weekend of fun. So come on down and join us. Me and Jordan will be there. We're gonna have a lot of scooters and we're down to race anybody who wants to race us. It's September 1st to 3rd, so by the time this video is posted, it'll be just a little under 3 weeks. See you guys there.